Hello everyone, I'm Bhavna Singh. Welcome back to Insightonomics. So let's start the topic for today without a further ado. In this video, we are going to solve a previous year question of Indian Economic Services, General Economics, Paper 1, okay, from the theory of value. Okay, so we have been given this question where we have been given demand function and a total cost function of a perfectly competitive firm. Okay, and you need to find out output, price, and profit, and the total revenue corresponding to the maximization of total profit. Okay, so let's solve this question. First, let me write what is given in the question. Given demand function, which is P is equal to 32 minus X. X is the output here, and cost function C is equals to X square plus 8X plus 4. Okay, so as we know, under perfect competition, equilibrium is reached at a point where price is equals to marginal cost. Okay, this is the scenario for perfect competition equilibrium. Okay, so we had price function, but we didn't have marginal cost function, and as we know, marginal cost represents the slope of total cost curve. Okay, so we can write it like this. Okay, and our total cost function is x square plus 8x plus 4, and it is in quadratic form, second degree polynomial. Okay, so you will get a parabolic U-shaped curve. So you need to differentiate cost function with respect to x to get the marginal cost. Okay, as we know the rule of differentiation, x रेज टू द पावर n, आपको n के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हो तो पावर आगे आएगी x n माइनस 1. ओके, यहाँ पे आप किसके रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हो? x के रिस्पेक्ट में. ओके, देन 2x प्लस 8. ओके, एक्स स्क्वायर पावर है 2x, 8x x का पावर 1 है, एंड इन केस ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन अगर n इज इक्वल टू 1 है, लाइक x रेज टू द पावर 1, देन जब आप x का डिफरेंशिएशन करोगे यू विल गेट 1. ओके, एंड 4 के साथ x नहीं है क्योंकि आप x के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हो, इसलिए 0 हो जाए. यू विल गेट 2x प्लस 8. दिस इज योर मार्जिनल कॉस्ट फंक्शन. ओके, so now for equilibrium, equate price equation with the marginal cost equation. Okay, for equilibrium, price must equals to marginal cost. What is the price equation? 32 minus x, and marginal cost equation is 2x plus 8. Now we will rearrange this. We will get 3x is equals to 24, and x will be 24 by 3, that is x star will be 8. This is the profit maximizing level of output for the perfectly competitive firm. Okay, now at this output, what will be the price? P is equal to 32 minus x, then it is 32 minus 8, which is 24. P star is the given price faced by a perfectly competitive firm, or the equilibrium price. Okay, and as we know, at equilibrium price is equal to marginal cost, and we can say that at x star level of output, price is equals to marginal cost, and which is equals to 24. So your marginal cost is equal to 24 as well. Now we will derive an expression for total revenue. Total revenue is equals to price into quantity. Price is 24 and Q is 8. or you can say P into X. Then we will get $192. This is our total revenue. Okay. And profit, as we know, profit is equals to total revenue minus total cost, or simply you can write profit function as P minus average cost into X. Okay. P represents the average revenue. So profit is the difference between average revenue and the average cost multiplied by the total output produced by a firm. Okay. So this is the profit function. We have price, we have X, but we didn't have average cost. So we will derive average cost from cost function. Okay. So let me write it here. C is equals to X square plus 8X plus 4. And as we know, total cost is the sum of total variable cost plus total fixed cost. So this is our total variable cost. This is the total fixed cost. Okay. And average cost is equals to the ratio of total cost to the output produced. Total cost divided by X. Total cost is equals to X square plus 8X plus 4 divided by X. Then we will get average cost is equals to X square by X plus 8X by X plus 4. Then we will get X plus 8 plus 4 by X. This is the function for average cost. Now when we will put X is equal to 8, because that is the profit maximizing level of output for a firm, then we will get our average cost is equals to 16.5. Now we will derive profit. Price is 24 minus 16.5 into 8. This is the simplest way to derive profit. टोटल रेवेन्यू एंड टोटल कॉस्ट से निकाल सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाता है. So our profit will be 60. Okay, the total profit of a firm which is equals to 60 and which is positive. So in this scenario we can say that firm is having supernormal profit. As price or the average revenue is greater than average cost. Okay, so firm is having supernormal profit. And we can also depict this following numerical situation using a graph. Price is equal to 32 minus X. So when you put X is equal to 0, you will get price is equal to 32. Okay, and this is the maximum willingness to pay of a buyer. Now in terms of X, you will also get X is equal to 32. Okay, so this is a linear demand function. You will get a demand function like this. Okay, this is the demand curve of a firm. Now we need a marginal revenue curve or simply the average marginal cost curve, because in case of perfectly competitive firm, price equates to marginal cost, and your marginal cost is equals to 2x, and then what is 8. So when you put x is equal to 0, marginal cost is equals to 8. Okay, and there is a positive relation between marginal cost and x, because slope of marginal cost is 2, okay, which is positive. So we'll get a upward sloping marginal cost curve in this particular scenario. This is the marginal cost curve. And in case of perfectly competitive equilibrium or the firm, in case of perfect competition, the upper part of marginal cost curve, which lies above the average variable cost, represents the supply curve of the firm. So in this scenario, this is the demand curve, and your marginal cost curve represents the supply curve of a firm. And then that at the intersection of demand and supply, equilibrium will be met for price and quantity. So this is the equilibrium. Price and quantity. And for this particular situation, what is our average cost curve equation? This is, so in this scenario, when you put x is equals to 0, then you will get average cost equals to 8. And when you further solve it, then it would be like 8 plus x plus 4 by x 8 plus okay, you will get this particular situation for average cost by further solving it. So for the average cost curve, we will get us this particular situation. This is the average cost curve, okay, because in both the scenario, in case of marginal cost as well as the average cost, intercept term is same, which is 8. When your x is equals to 0, your average cost is equal to 8, and as well as marginal cost is equal to 8. But the slope of average cost curve is different than the marginal cost curve. Or when you take the slope, then you will get 8 plus, it's like minus 4 x square. This will be the slope. When you put it equals to 0, then you will get 8 is equal to 4x square, and x square is equal to 4 by 8. X square is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to under root of 0.5. And this particular situation depicts when the average cost will be minimum. Okay. So this is the graphical depiction, and if you consider the profit situation at this particular point, then this is the profit of the firm. This is it. I think we are done with this question. We have answered all the questions, all the dimensions, which are output, price, profit, and total revenue to maximization of total profit. So we are done with this question. Thank you so much for watching our content. If you find it helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe our channel. And if you had any queries and observations, please do let us know on our comment section. And you can also join us on our Telegram channel where we'll upload all the links of the YouTube videos and also provide the PDFs and important book notes with respect to economics. Thank you.